once enough of them get it, I will only book flights exclusively on planes with Starlink. Like, I don't care. Like, oh, this has an extra 1 hour layover. I don't give a fuck. They're Starlink.
Yeah.
I'm on it.
Biscoff, who cares? Starlink.
Who cares?
Biscoff.
Keep
Bro,
your
I'll sit in the
cookie.
back of the plane if it gives me Starlink. Like, I really don't care. Starlink is amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
Flies.
I probably most people listening to this haven't used it, but like for reference, like when I filmed in Antarctica, the only way to get any signal is Starlink, right? When I film in the middle of Malawi or Zimbabwe, or when we go to these countries to build wells or do projects, like you'll have equivalent internet of here. You could have in the middle of fucking Malawi, 6 hours away from the nearest city. Like it's crazy. Starlink is like literally magic. It makes no sense. Yeah.
Like,
you
I
want to know the even crazier part, which no one talks about? No one talks about, is you can put a Starlink on the top of your car. So we had like this like 4 hour drive in the middle of Africa. Just, I mean, bro, you couldn't, like, your car breaks down, you're just dead. Like the service doesn't exist here where we're talking about. We're going like, the roads don't exist. We're talking, you take a road to take a dirt road, to take a gravel road, to take a grass road, to like, it's not even a road. You're just like driving through a field type like villages, and you just put the Starlink on the top of the car. Perfect signal the entire car ride.
Wow.
In terms of what he's accomplishing with SpaceX, I mean, there's no doubt that it's going to fundamentally progress humanity in unfathomable ways. I mean, in our lifetime, someone's going to go to Mars thanks to SpaceX.
Yeah.
Like, I really do believe that. I mean, that's not guaranteed, but in my personal opinion, I think that will happen. What will definitely guarantee to happen is no matter where you are on the planet, you'll be able to have high-speed internet thanks to Starlink. I mean, so his businesses are fundamentally doing just insanely positive stuff.